Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana from Shunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss linear search algorithm code using recursion in Java. This is continuation to previous video, part 1, linear search algorithm. You will get previous videos in the YouTube channel Shunya Technologies. Go to playlist. Here data structures and algorithms in Java. Please go through previous video before going through this video. What is linear search algorithm? A linear search or sequential search is a method for finding an element within a list. It sequentially checks each element of the list until a match is found or the whole list has been searched. We'll discuss this algorithm using IntelliJ, launch IntelliJ and create Java application. Here we have main class. This class contains main method. Read the input from command prompt. System dot out dot print. Please provide input search item create object for scanner class scanner sc equal to new scanner and pass system.in invoke nextInt method sc.nextInt and assign to integer variable int search item, declare array int arr equal to 30, 40, 20, 50, 10. Here we are storing these values inside array. Invoke linear search recursive method. Linear search recursive and pass array, comma start of array index 0, comma search item. Here we are invoking linear search recursive method. We need to provide implementation for that method. Public static int linear search recursive and pass the parameters int arr, comma int index, comma int search item. Here you can provide any names for these parameters. First check the condition. If index greater than or equal to array dot length return -1. Declare one more if condition. If array index equal to search item return index. If both conditions are false, then we need to invoke linear search recursive function recursively. Return linear search recursive. Here pass array, comma index +1, comma search item. Here linear search recursive function returning integer. We need to store output in the integer variable. Here declare integer variable int result. Let us check the condition. If result less than 0, system dot out dot println search item is not found, else sout search item plus is found at index plus result. Execute this code. Go to run. Click on run main. Please provide search item 20. Enter. 20 is found at index 2. Here 0th index, first index, second index. 20 is found at index 2. Run main. Please provide search item 70. Enter. 70 is not found. Here we don't have 70 in this array. We'll debug this program to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Go to run. Click on debug main. Later click step into or F7. Click on debug main. F7. Go to console. Please provide input search item 20. Enter. F7. Here array contains 30, 40, 20, 50, 10. Here array contains values. Index is equal 0. Search item 20. F7. Here index is 0. 0 greater than or equal to 5. False. Then it goes to another if. Here array of 0. Array of 0 is 30. Search item is equal to 20. 30 equal to 20. False. Then we need to call function recursively. Here array contains values. Index is equal to 0. We need to increment one value. That means 0 plus 1, 1. Now index is equal to 1. It will search the values from this one. F7. Now index is equal to 1. 1 greater than or equal to 5. False. Then it goes to next if. Here array of 1. Array of 1 is 40. 40 equal to 20. False. Then we need to call function recursively. Here index is equal to 1. We need to increment one value. That means index is equal to 2. 2 greater than or equal to 5. False. Then array of 2. Array of 2 is 20. Search item is 20. 20 equal to 20. True. We need to return 20 index. Here index of 20 is 2. F7. Here result is equal to 2. 2 less than 0. False. Then 20 is found at index 2. Here output is 20 is found at index 2. We'll debug one more time. Debug main. F7. Input 70. Enter. F7. Here search item is equal to 70. We are searching 70 inside array. Here we don't have 70 in the array. F7. Here array contains values. Index is equal to 0. Search item 70. 0 greater than or equal to 5. False. Then array of 0. Array of 0 is 30 and search item 70. 30 equal to 70. False. Then we need to call function recursively. Now index is equal to 1. 1 greater than or equal to 5. False. Then array of 1. Array of 1 is equal to 40. 40 equal to 70. Then false. We need to call function recursively. It will continue. Here index is equal to 4. 4 greater than or equal to 5. False. Then array of 4. Array of 4 is equal to 10. Search item is equal to 70. 10 equal to 70. False. Later index increment 1. Index is equal to 5. Array dot length is equal to 5. 5 greater than or equal to 5. True. It's returning minus 1. That means we didn't find 70 in the array. F7. Here result is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 less than 0. True. Then 70 is not found. Here output is 70 is not found. What we understood based on this program is, here array contains values. We need to find input value from the array using linear search recursive. Here we have function for linear search recursive. We are passing array, initial index and search item. If index greater than or equal to array length, we need to return minus 1. Here array index equal to search item, then we need to return index of that value. Otherwise we need to call recursive function. Finally, if result less than 0, that means we didn't find the item. If result greater than 0, that means we found the item. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.